Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English in 28 Days. Today is day 10, and we will learn something very important in English grammar. Articles, a, an, and the. If you want to speak clear and correct English, this lesson is very important, so watch till the end. In English, articles are small words placed before nouns. They help us understand. Is the noun general or specific? Is it known or unknown? There are three articles in English, a, an, the, and they are divided into two types, indefinite articles, a, an, definite article, the. We use a and an when we talk about something general or not specific. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. A book, a car, a teacher. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an hour. Remember, it depends on sound, not spelling. For example, a university, because it sounds like U. An honor, because H is silent. We use the when we talk about something specific or already known. Examples: the book on the table, the sun, the best student. Use the for things both people know, unique things, the earth, the internet, superlatives, the tallest, the best. The gives clear meaning to the sentence. Sometimes we do not use any article. This is called the zero article. Use zero article with plural nouns in general. Dogs are friendly. Books are useful. Uncountable nouns. Water is important. Sugar is sweet. Proper names. India is beautiful. Paris is famous. Let's look at common learner mistakes. I bought car. I bought a car. The India is big. India is big. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. Avoiding these mistakes will make your English more natural. Choose the correct article. I saw what dog. She ate Charles apple. Sun is bright. Answers: a dog, an apple, the sun. Great job if you got them right. Today you learned what articles are, difference between a, an, and the, when to use no article, common mistakes to avoid. Practice daily, and your English will improve fast. For more easy English lessons, visit english.humanityuapd.com. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with friends learning English. See you in day 11 of Easy English in 28 Days.